If you're over 50 and you often wake up feeling tired, low on energy, or not fully refreshed even after a full night of sleep, the real problem may not be your age. Many women believe that fatigue, poor sleep, and low energy are simply a normal part of getting older, but that's not always true. In many cases, the real cause is something much more subtle, something you repeat every single night without even realizing its impact. Your nighttime habits play a powerful role in how your body recovers, repairs, and resets itself. And small mistakes before bed can quietly disrupt your hormones, affecting your sleep quality, metabolism, mood, and overall health over time.
Your body depends on nighttime to restore balance. Hormones like melatonin, cortisol, and growth hormone follow a natural rhythm that supports deep sleep and recovery. But after the age of 50, your body becomes more sensitive to disruptions in this rhythm. Even small habits such as using your phone late at night or going to bed at inconsistent times can interfere with this process. Over time, these disruptions can lead to poor sleep, increased stress, weight gain, and constant fatigue. The challenging part is that these effects happen slowly, making them difficult to notice until they become a regular part of your life.
The first habit that can damage your hormones is using your phone before bed. While it may seem harmless to scroll through social media or check messages, the blue light emitted from your screen can suppress melatonin, the hormone responsible for helping your body relax and fall asleep. At the same time, engaging content keeps your brain active, preventing it from slowing down naturally. This combination makes it harder for you to fall asleep and reduces the quality of your rest. Over time, this habit can lead to disrupted sleep patterns, low energy levels, and hormonal imbalance. Another common mistake is eating late at night. When you consume food close to bedtime, your body focuses on digestion instead of recovery. This can interfere with your metabolism and disrupt the balance of hormones that regulate energy and fat storage. Late-night eating can also affect blood sugar levels, leading to fluctuations that impact your sleep quality. Over time, this habit may contribute to weight gain, fatigue, and difficulty maintaining a healthy routine. Going to bed at different times every night is another habit that can confuse your body. Your internal clock, also known as your circadian rhythm, relies on consistency. When your sleep schedule changes frequently, your body struggles to regulate hormones properly. This can lead to poor sleep quality, even if you spend enough time in bed. Establishing a consistent bedtime helps your body prepare for rest and supports hormone balance. Exposure to bright light at night is another factor that can affect your hormones. Artificial lighting, especially from screens and strong indoor lights, signals your brain to stay awake. This delays melatonin production and makes it harder for your body to transition into sleep mode. Reducing light exposure in the evening can help your body relax and prepare for a restful night. Overthinking at night is a habit that many people struggle with, especially after a long day. When your mind remains active, your body produces higher levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. Elevated cortisol levels at night can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. This can lead to a cycle of stress and fatigue that affects your overall well-being. Sleeping too late can also reduce the quality of your rest. The early hours of the night are particularly important for deep sleep and hormone repair. Missing this window can affect how your body recovers and how you feel the next day. Maintaining a consistent and earlier bedtime can help support your natural rhythm. Individually, these habits may not seem harmful. However, when combined and repeated over time, they can create a pattern that slowly affects your body. The impact builds gradually, making it difficult to recognize until you start experiencing consistent fatigue and imbalance. The good news is that your body is highly adaptable. By making small and consistent changes to your nighttime routine, you can support your hormones and improve your overall health. Reducing screen time, avoiding late meals, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, and creating a calm environment before bed can make a significant difference. These changes may seem simple, but over time, they can help restore balance and improve your energy levels. If you want to feel more energized, improve your sleep, and support your hormones after the age of 50, make sure to subscribe for more simple, practical, and easy-to-follow health tips designed especially for women like you who want to stay active, healthy, and confident every day. At night, your body enters one of its most important phases of recovery. This is the time when your hormones are supposed to reset, your cells repair themselves, and your brain clears out stress from the day. However, when your nighttime routine is inconsistent or filled with distractions, your body cannot fully enter this deep recovery state. Over time, this leads to a buildup of fatigue, reduced energy levels, and difficulty maintaining a healthy hormonal balance. Many people assume they are getting enough sleep, but the quality of that sleep is what truly matters. Hormones like melatonin, which controls sleep, and cortisol, which manages stress, need a proper environment to function correctly. When these hormones are disrupted, your body struggles to stay in balance. This can lead to increased cravings, mood swings, poor concentration, and long-term health issues. The connection between your nighttime habits and your hormones is stronger than most people realize, and small disruptions can create significant effects over time. For example, imagine someone who uses their phone every night before bed, eats late, and sleeps at different times each day. Individually, these habits may seem harmless, but when combined, they create a pattern that prevents the body from fully recovering. Over weeks and months, this can result in chronic fatigue, weight gain, and a constant feeling of low energy, even after what seems like a full night of sleep. If you find yourself feeling tired in the morning, relying on caffeine to get through the day, or struggling with sleep despite being in bed for hours, these habits may be affecting you more than you think. Your body is constantly trying to adapt, but it needs the right conditions to function properly. Recognizing these patterns is the first step toward making meaningful changes. The good news is that your body is incredibly responsive. Even small improvements in your nighttime routine can start to show results within a short period of time. You don't need drastic changes. Just a few simple adjustments can help your body restore its natural balance. Start by creating a simple and consistent routine before bed. Turn off bright lights at least an hour before sleeping. Reduce screen time, and give your body time to relax. Avoid heavy meals late at night and try to go to bed at the same time every day. These habits may seem small, but they send powerful signals to your body, helping it prepare for rest and recovery. Over time, these changes can improve your sleep quality, support hormone balance, and increase your overall energy levels. Remember, your health is shaped by what you do every day, not just once in a while. Your nighttime routine is one of the most powerful tools you have to support your body. By making small, consistent changes, you can take control of your sleep, your energy, and your long-term health. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. The information shared is based on general knowledge and should not replace professional medical guidance. Always consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before making any health decisions.